Don't sneeze like this. I'm Dr. Sam and this is Medical Adulting, where you'll learn interesting medical lessons to live your life better. Meet Bob, a 34-year-old gentleman from the UK. Like most people, he doesn't really pay attention to the way he sneezes until one day, when after a sneeze, Bob felt a pop inside his neck. Bob then started to notice some pain around his neck, and eating became painful. Bob dismissed it initially until his neck started to swell up. So Bob rushed to the emergency department, where the scan they did revealed something shocking. You see, Bob loves to sneeze in a particular way. He likes to pinch his nose and close his mouth to keep the sneeze in, which built a lot of pressure inside his body. And there were no issues for 30 years until this time, when that pressure tore a hole in his throat. So air and fluid was leaking out into his neck, leading to this. A hole here also meant that Bob could not eat for a week, so they had to insert a tube to feed him. Although rare, holding in a sneeze can cause other issues, like a ruptured eardrum or even back pain. So to minimize this, there is a proper technique to sneeze. Number 1, do not hold it in. 2, engage your core when sneezing. 3, you can sneeze into your elbow. 4, sit straight and avoid awkward positions to minimize injuring your back. So remember to let it go responsibly. Now you know.